Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and type in aistudio.google.com in order to log into your Google AI Studio page right here, just like what you see right here. Now, on getting here, what you need to do to simply scroll down right here, you have what is new right here. The first one here is Nano Banana 2.5, V3O, and fetch information. And right here, we have high generate quality text to speech with Gemini. So this is a new features that has just been integrated into Google AI Studio right here. Okay, so we can go ahead and come to the top right here also and click on new chat. So we click on new chats, then we can scroll down right here. So if we click on new chat, we can scroll down right here. Then we have Gemini Flash latest, our hybrid reasoning model with a 1 million token context window and thinking budget right here. Okay, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. I'm going to click on that. Then you'll be ready to chat with Gemini. Then we can write our prompt right here. So, or better still, we can click on this plus sign right here to upload a file. So we can upload different type of files, such as my drive upload file. Then we can also record audio right here. We can upload recording audio. We can also take a photo. We can record a video. We can also upload YouTube video, sample media, etc. So everything depends on exactly what we need to do with this stuff right now. Let's say I want to upload a file right here. I will simply click on upload a file. Then you can upload this different type of files, such as audio recording, video file, or we can also upload photo. So I'm going to click on photo and video right here. Then I will go ahead and start with photo. Okay, I'm going to upload this particular screenshot, one of the screenshots right here. I'm going to go ahead and upload this particular photo right here. So start creating with media in Google. So what you need to do right here is to click on acknowledge. Now the photo has been uploaded. So we can ask that, can you please change the background? Please change the image background to Egypt pyramid. Then send. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to upload.